These two lotions on the screen can either make or break your skin. It can either help to brighten your skin, heal your skin, and smoothen your skin, or it is going to make your skin look worse than it was. It is going to darken you, it is going to give you rashes, it is going to irritate your skin so much more that you're going to be in a state of confusion. But in today's video, I'm going to be telling you 5 reasons why these two lotions or any lotions that have similar ingredients to them are not working for you. If you have used these two lotions and they did not work for you, I'm going to tell you why. And if you are intending to use it, then this particular video is going to really help you. It is going to save you from making mistakes and probably even save you from wasting money. After watching this video, you might end up realizing that you don't need these two lotions. Okay, so let's begin. Please remember to like this video, hit the like button. It helps me know what you like and what you don't like. Thank you. Now this one is Alpha Renewal body lotion. This contains 12% glycolic acid. And this is Amlactin body lotion, and this contains 12% lactic acid. A lot of people that have used this particular lotion, some people, it helps to lighten their skin, it helps to brighten their skin, it helps with stretch marks, it helps to heal bumpy skin and all of those things. And other people that have used this thing did not get same results. In fact, their skin became worse. Now let's talk about the benefit of these two lotions, because in as much as they contain two different type of acids, they do different things. This is glycolic acid, which is an AHA, an exfoliator. This is lactic acid, which is an AHA, also an exfoliator. Now, what does an exfoliator do for you? What does AHAs in general do for your skin? One, the most important thing it does for your skin is to exfoliate your skin. Now, aside from exfoliating your skin, it helps to promote skin renewal by encouraging cell turnover, thereby improving your skin's elasticity and smoothing your skin texture. So that is why if you use these lotions and you have stretch marks, it is going to help to diminish the appearance of your stretch marks because of its ability to help with skin renewal. So this is the basic thing that these two lotions are going to do for you. Now, who is supposed to use this body lotion? The people who are supposed to use these body lotions are: one, if you are looking for an anti-aging product, okay, your skin is aging rapidly and you are looking for something that is going to help to reduce the rate at which your skin is aging, you are supposed to use this lotion. If you have stretch marks on your skin and you need a cream that is going to help to fade the appearance of the stretch marks, you need this cream. If you have bumpy skin, your skin is not smooth, your skin is rough, you need this cream. Who does not need this cream? Someone that wants to brighten her skin. If your sole purpose is to brighten your skin, then this lotion is not for you. That is why a lot of people use this lotion and they get disappointed, because some people that used it testified that it brightened their skin. Now we are going to get into all that later, why it is not brightening your skin and it brightened another person's skin. So this is the background of what these lotions do for your skin and the set of people that need this particular lotion. People that are seeking anti-aging, stretch mark clearing, and smoothing of the skin. These three key things are what these products do for your skin. Now, in as much as these two lotions and the likes of them have this so much benefit for your skin, they also have side effects. And that side effect, people that it affects are people with sensitive skin and people with tender skin. Now, these two are different. Some people have sensitive skin and some people have tender skin. So sometimes when you use something and it reacts on your skin, it is not necessarily that you have a sensitive skin. Sometimes it can be that you have a tender skin. There are some people you will see their skin is very soft, like their skin is like a baby skin. You have tender skin. Your skin is not sensitive. Okay, so these two categories of people, when they use these lotions and do not use it well, they are going to get skin irritation. That is where you can get burning sensation, you can get rashes on your skin, you can get redness and all of those skin irritations that come with sensitive skin and tender skin. So if you know that you are tender skinned, and if you know that you have sensitive skin, then keep watching. I'm going to tell you how to use this particular product. That is, if you really want to use it, I'm going to tell you how to use it to avoid any of these reactions. 5 reasons why this product has not worked for you or will not work for you if you purchase it. Number one is you are buying it for the wrong reasons. Now, people that have used this lotion and told you that they experience skin brightening, it is not what you think skin brightening is that they actually experience. Now, the type of skin brightening that these lotions are going to give you is when you have dark patches on your body. Example of dark patches: when you have dark elbow, okay, when you have dark knee, if your knee is dark, okay, or if you have like dark knuckles, because sometimes why your elbows are dark, if you watch some people, their elbows are scaly. Okay, these are years and years and years and years of dead skin cells that has not been exfoliated, even on your knee, even on your knuckles. So when you use these particular body lotions, what it is going to do is to help to deeply exfoliate your elbows, your knees, your knuckles, and remove those dead skin cells. And when those dead skin cells are removed, that place is going to come back to your original complexion. Now, let's say you are a fair person, that place is going to become fair again because you're a naturally fair person. If you're caramel, that place is going to become caramel again. Now, when that person uses it, when that fair person uses it, it's going to come out and say, oh, it brightened my skin. What the lotion did is to just remove those scales on your skin that has not been removed for years. Remove those dead skin cells, remove those dirt and everything clogged on the surface of your skin. Clean your skin from the inside out, and that particular place, some people here, their hair is dark, so those particular places are going to clear up and brighten up. So it does not mean that when you use this lotion, it is going to generally brighten your whole skin. No, that is not what it does. It brightens dark parts of your body by exfoliating, by deeply exfoliating and promoting cell turnover in that areas of your body. I hope you understand it now. So both Amlactin or Alpha Renewal or any other lotion that looks like it, they do not brighten your skin in what you are looking for brightening you head to toe. That is not the work. Okay, they are not brightening you head to toe. They are just going to exfoliate your skin, and when your skin is exfoliated, it's going to look brighter. Or when a particular thing is being treated, that particular space is going to look brighter. Just take for example, you have an injury and the injury heals and has a black cloth on it. Okay, when it finally heals and you peel off that black thing in front of it, the surface of it looks a bit bright. That's a clear example of what glycolic acid or lactic acid does for you. It removes the dark patches, the dark cloth, the dark skin layers that has been on your skin, and that place, and a new skin is being like placed on that part of your skin, and your skin looks new and fresh again. So if you are looking to brighten your skin, if you have uneven skin tone, you are having hyperpigmentation, this is not the cream for you. Now, point number 2, why these products are not going to work for you, or why they are going to cause you irritation, especially for those who have sensitive or tender skin. Okay, this is, you are pairing it with the wrong product. Now, because of the way some people have talked about this product, because of the way it has been hyped, some people buy this product with very great expectations for it to do this and do that for them. It doesn't work like that. Then you are not going to carry that expectation and probably drop your whole routine, or you're not going to pair it with the right product. These creams are treatment creams. Okay, it's not like you don't use it with the mindset of this is my body lotion. As you buy it, is a treatment something, so you need to still continue with your full routine. Or if you are treating other things on your body, you need to have different routines for whatever it is you are treating on your body. So you don't buy this particular product and feel that it is going to help you with hyperpigmentation, it is going to help you with sunburn, it's going to help you with green veins, with stretch marks, with this and this and this. It is not going to help you with that. I've already stated what it's going to do for you. So if you buy it, just buy it like where you bought a body scrub, but a more intense type of body scrub, because this one now you're leaving it onto your skin. It's not like a normal body scrub that you rinse out. So that's why this one works in-depthly. Okay, so this works more than a body scrub. Now, the third reason is timing. What do I mean by timing? In as much as this particular lotion promises you cell turnover and skin renewal, okay, these things take time. You can't just buy one body lotion, one bottle of the lotion and expect it to work. Why? Because before your skin cell can turn over, it takes time. It takes time for your skin cells to be renewed. Now, for babies, it takes about 14 days. For teenagers, it takes about 28 days. For adults, like middle adults, it takes like for 28 days to 42 days. Now, from 50 years and above, it takes about 42 days and more, depending on the person self, depending on how the skin is, how the skin has been, and all of those things. So these things take time. Okay, what I noticed with this particular lotions is some people just go and buy it one bottle because they are a bit pricey, especially the Alpha Renewal body lotion is pricey. So people just buy one bottle and expect it to do magic for them. It is not going to do magic for you. You need to use it like 2 to 3 bottles before you are going to see the results you are looking for. Because before your skin cell can turn over, can renew, and all of those things, it takes time. And depending on your age, it is going to take more time. And if you stop using it, that process it stops. So you need to keep using it to get the results you want before you are going to stop using them. Now, for those of you that say that you use this lotion and it darkens you, okay, number one is, we are point number 4 now. Number one is you are using it too often. Now, over exfoliation of your skin is not good. And remember that these particular lotions contain 12% of these acids. Normally 12% is high, of for to use. So it's, you use these lotions when your bumpy skin is very serious, when the stretch marks is much, or especially for people having aging issues. Okay, yes, that is when you use this high percent of glycolic acid or lactic acid. But if your case is not that severe, honestly, you don't need it. But if you are going to use it, you are not supposed to use it very often. The least you should use these body lotions is 2 times a week. 2 times a week. Don't use it more than 2 times a week. If you use it more than 2 times a week, you are going to be over exfoliating your skin. And when you over exfoliate your skin without using sun protection, your skin is going to get overly exposed to the sun. And when that happens, you are going to get darker naturally. I've explained it on my channel severally in every video. Once you are where the sun is touching you, you don't even need to enter the sun. You are sitting somewhere and the sun is reflecting on you. Instantly, your body is beginning to generate melanin. And once that is happening, it is appearing as your skin getting dark. And the more you exfoliate your skin, the more your skin is sensitive to the sun. So every little sun that will touch a normal person that did not exfoliate his or her skin, and the person will pass, you will not pass it. Once you just cross sun like this, bam, your skin is going to pick the sun instantly, and the melanin production will start, and you get dark. This is what happens. You are using it too often than normal. Now, if you even have oversensitive skin, tender skin, once a week is okay, because 12% glycolic acid or 12% lactic acid is way too much to use on a normal. But for severe cases, it is okay when prescribed. That is why most of these lotions are best prescribed when your skin has been tested and is being assured or is being checked to know that, okay, fine, your skin can carry this percentage of acid. So if you are using this product, by all means stay away from the sun, and never use it in the morning. Never use it in the morning. Do you get? Schedule your routine, schedule the days you are going to use it to weekends. The day that you know that if you use it this night now, tomorrow morning you are not going out. Okay, that's why some people that have used this particular lotion and gotten good result are people that usually they are stay at home people, or they are content creators, or they work and never enter the sun, something like that. But if you know you're someone that go out, you stay where sun is touching you, you don't wear your body sunscreen and all of those things, please schedule the days you are using it to be weekends, the days you are not going out, or even if you're going to go out, it's going to be in the evening, or you use your body sunscreens with these lotions. If not, you're going to be using these lotions and it is not going to work for you, and it is going to be a waste of money for you. So that is everything. If you have more questions or whatever, let me know in the comment section and let's have a conversation. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not, and I'm going to see you on our next one.